Hello everyone, I'm Jahid Islam. So I show the previous Excel file to upload in a Power BI and with the different data sheets. So today we are more advanced um, techniques with the Excel file to the new data sheet. So here it is. So this is our presentation slide. How I will go through the step by step as you follow my previous video. This is the new one. It's similar, all the steps are similar, just a new data sheet and more advanced data and things. So here's the file of our output result. I will show you, explain you how we got all of this. And let's start from the step. So in as you know before, we also did this sixth step in our previous video. So data input, data cleaning, data modeling, DX calculation and measurement, and visualization and full workflow diagram. So in the very first step, we did the data import. So in data import, there is a new data sheet, which is logistics delivery data sheet. There is a lots of data gathered from various sources. So we import the data to this. So here you can see transform data. We go through this and we imported the logistics delivery data. That is provided by our class teacher. And the second step is data cleaning and transformation. So in this step, we remove all the error or the extra columns, spacings, all of this. So I'll just show you how we did that. So here we did lots of missing values, taking all data types of columns, etc. So and checking column quality and errors as you. I just mark all these steps, close and apply, closing and applying data for next step. So adding tables to make other tables to load more relationships, and delivery ID should be unique as it is primary key. Make sure the delivery ID should be unique. And making cargo tables separate, making tables other separate, loading to relationship. So all of these I did that, removing duplicate row and all of this, and deleting extra columns and duplicate data as well. So after all the removing and cleaning, we go the step C, that is data modeling and relationship. So in this data modeling, it's establish relationship between different data tables, so create a data model that enhance the overall analysis basically. So if I go through the data modeling, so we did all of this data table and we just sort out the, one to many, make this relationship many. So I just mark here, see, here one to many, make this relationship. And fixing the region table by selecting both columns by control, transport pivot columns as well, remaining values as region. Here we deleting attributes column because it's not needed at all. So and making relation of region with the origin and destination. So we here we did the making all the relationship with the data table. And after all of the modeling, we went through the calculation, which is the AX calculation. Here we did lots of calculation, and this measurement is important as it's foundation measurement, and other measurements by delivery by data are built by filtering and this measure. So we did lot of filtering also here. I'll show you when I will give you the Power BI file, show you the Power BI file. So using the measure to make non-active relationship work as only one relationship can be active at a time. So here, all of these percentage, cost, I'll show all the relationship here using this measure to check. for cost per track type. So in the last step visualization, we will show you the how we visualize all the things. Yes. So we did in Power BI 5 as you saw. Yes. Total delivery, summation of total cost, on time percentage, late deliveries, all of this. And we also filter by, like, let's say we can see only for Sydney. If you click Sydney, we it's showing. And we also filter the let's say February month, and let's say only for clothing. Like we can remove the clothing, and we can select the 2024 thing. So this data only for 2024, only for these, and only for Sydney, and only for February. So if you make sure, like if I select an all, so it will come again for all. So if I go through the page two, here the region, cost, cash deliveries, invoice deliveries, card deliveries, bank transfer deliveries, all of the deliveries. So as I show you the filtering, we did also filtering here. And the page three is total delivery by delay status, on-time delivery region, on-time delivery destination, and we also filter the cargo type as well. And here, as you saw, total delivery region and delay status. We also mention all of the percentage and all. Cash deliveries, card deliveries, bank transfer deliveries. We just make a the on graph here. So here also you can see all of this and filter all of this. So this is the cargo type, and this is the par location, and this is the total. And total deliveries by cargo type here. So on page six, summation of fuel cost, summation of total charges, summation of all other charges, all are mentioned here. This is all of the rest of data. So total by track type. So as I showed you before, the track type. So all of this. So in visualization part, we did all of these part by part, like step by step. I showed you already in the Power BI 5. So I just make a screenshot and yeah. So these are the actual slicer to check real-time data on each page. So as I showed. So the thing is we did data cleaning, data modeling, then calculation, then visualization, and then we can share this file as as well. So this is all for my side. If you have any question, please comment below in my video. I will give you the proper answer. Thank you so much.